QSK. QSK.
QSK, go ahead.
Yeah, you gentlemen are sounding real fine out here in the southern Gulf Islands this afternoon. You got 791 back at you.
You say 791 in the Gulf Islands?
You betcha. 791 out here in the southern Gulf Islands off the far west coast of Canada.
Roger, on the far west coast. Well, you got 2 Whiskey 5078 else, southwestern Pennsylvania, about 60 miles southwest of Pittsburgh, Roger.
Sounding good, buddy. Just wanted to get in there and shout and tell you guys you're sounding like locals up here.
Roger, right back at you. I'll tell you, I'll send the flowers right back to you and to you and your family there. God bless. Have a good evening, and for sure, you're doing the same. Sounding real good. Right back at you.
Thanks, my friend. You save those flowers for yourself. I'll let you get back to your QSO. You got a fine sounding station, and we'll listen for you again. Have a good evening, my friend. This is 791 out here in the southern Gulf Islands, QSX. Cheers, mate.
Roger, right back at you. Yeah, he said we were both sounding good up there today, for sure. Yeah, he was sounding real good. No kidding. He was coming in real good down here. Yeah, for sure. Sounding real good.